we want our code to be perfect, scalable, efficient, beautiful. But here's the hard truth: perfect code doesn't exist. The key insight here is simplicity. Focus on solving the problem right in front of you, not the problems you think might arise someday. Step 1. Start small. Solve the immediate need. Build the minimum viable product, MVP. Don't add features unless they're absolutely necessary. Step 2. Resist the urge to future-proof. It's tempting to think, oh, I'll just add this feature now because I might need it later. Spoiler alert, you probably won't. Instead, focus on what you know you need today. If future needs arise, refactor then, not sooner. Step 3. Prioritize readability over cleverness. Clever code may feel satisfying to write, but readable code is what keeps your project alive. Remember, code is read far more often than it's written. Keep it simple, keep it clean. Step 4. Test early, test often. Don't wait until the end to test your code. Write tests early and run them frequently. This helps catch issues before they snowball into bigger problems caused by unnecessary complexity.